Okay, so this candle is about to close in 10 minutes, and if this candle closes like this and the next candle breaks the high, but at that point also we don't have a range, so I think the better idea is that we just wait for a candle to close above 153.842 area or a 845 area to take buys. So if we talk about 4 hour in GBP then the trend is now changing. If we just stretch out this area, then yes, this 4-hour candle has closed above this trend line, as well as it has closed above this resistance area coming from the left, right? And it has also closed above this these moving averages. Now it has entered again the between these two trend line channels over here. So what happens over here is that this channel now becomes invalid. Oh, not this one actually, not this one. No. So now the market can possibly go up to this level, which has a clean range of about 75 to 80 pips. Let's hope to catch a good trade today and make some profits. But let's see what will happen over here. Because I do believe that look, market is now moving up, retracing back, moving up, retracing back. Now it will move up. So once a candle closes above 153.845, that will be a good idea to execute buys in the next candle. Let's see. There's no range over here. The range is, yes, not there. And also this 30-minute candle is rejecting this area over here. So there can be problem, like if the next candle might just wake up and go all the way down, because now it has also created a low as well. So that can also be the case. If that will be the case, then chances of moving down will become high. So I'm considering this as a no trade zone, like for buys only, and for sells I'm gonna look for in the next candle. And over here, EuroCAD, the previous EuroCAD candle closed with no wick on the top. We have this clean range to cover up. So I'm gonna mark few labels over here and let's see what we will get. So now we have a clean range, like the market dropped yesterday over here and this candle now closed above that area, and this candle is having just 7 minutes left to close, right? And after the 7 minutes there will be a closing of 1 hour candle as well. But I'm gonna look at this particular 30-minute candle. Like if this 30-minute candle closes above 1.42472 area, like this area, above this area, and we get a rejection wick on the bottom of this candle, at that point I think that will be a good point of confirmation. Like we can then ask yeah, we can then look for buys over here. So I think that will be a good idea. Sorry. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this particular candle over here. Let's see where it will be closing. And in case of GBP, let's go to 3 minutes. Yeah, I think the next candle might just go down. So if the next candle closes below this area, then can we look for sells? The range is 15 pips. Yes. But below this area, there can be good sells as well over here. So I'm gonna mark some labeling over. So this is a no trade zone. Something is wrong with my keyboard. So I'm considering this area as a no trade zone. I'm considering this area as a you know for buys, and this area will be for sells. Look at this rejection over here. This is not good. Hey George, good morning, buddy. Hey Saransh, good morning. Okay, so Eurocat 30-minute candle just closed below this area, and it. What just happened? Is there is any news? Let me just check. Hmm. So at 7 p.m. there will be retail sales. Keep up the keep up to date with the markets. Enable notifications to receive real-time important updates. Okay. Okay, so at 7 p.m. there will be USD news retail sales. After that, we have retail sales over here. Yeah, that's it. Not much data today. Okay, so now this is something confuses me. Why? Because this candle closed with no wick on the top. This candle closed under the area but with no wick on the bottom. Now this candle is moving up with no wick on the bottom. What kind of this is not a good thing and good setup over here. So what I'm gonna do is, to simplify things, I'm gonna look at the 1 hour. Okay, so the 1 hour candle over here just closed with a huge rejection wick, right? So this is also confuses me. So now I'm going to 15 minutes over here, and I see that in 15 minutes we have a clean range over here. Let me just calculate the range. So this range is about 10 pips, but above this area in 15 minutes we have a huge range, right? So now what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna shift this area over here. Now this becomes my new new resistance over here, because look, if this candle breaks this high, I cannot literally take a buy over here. I really cannot, because the reason is this becomes already a fake out. Okay, this candle went up outside this area, closed outside this area, and then the next candle went inside that area. So the chances are that the current 30-minute candle might just create a higher wick and break the low of the previous candle and continue moving down all the way down, right? Because the Eurocat trend is still sells. So I'm gonna look at the Eurocat price action over here. Oh, it's really good right now. It's really good because Eurocat was finally broke the consolidation. And look here, I just missed this trade yesterday in EuroCAD. This was a 100 pip move, but this is just a consolidation happening right now, just a consolidation. It will again start to move down, and I'm gonna try to catch the higher price to continue for a long run of that trade. So this is the bottom of the trend line, and yeah, this is a small channel going on, and soon this channel will be broken by EuroCAD, and it will start to move in selling direction. So for